So once I finish, once I go through my notebooks, and I actually, I created my own journals. For those of you who like journaling, well, and what I did, I put in some inspirational quotes in the journals, because I need to be inspired all the time, with the way the world is going, you have to be on it, right? Yes. So these journals, this is where I write everyday random things. Then I go back and I start curating. I have a template on my laptop, since I've written so many other random things, short plays, short poems, and short essays. Then I type out whatever I wrote. And since my poems are from natural inspiration, I try not to edit too much, because at the point when I wrote it, there was a flow and a divine guidance of some sort. So I really try to leave them as original as possible, and not tamper with the energy that was backed by that particular, I call them download or thought form, you see.